Nice one.
Court number 3, players, calling the players, corner and Alex versus Sunny, Barcade, and Hudson. Court number 3, calling players for court number 3, Boxer and Atlas versus Sunny and Grayson. Stand by for court number 7. Stand by players, Ian Elvano and Samuel versus Marvin Garcia and Edward Salva Navarro. Stand by players for court number 5. Court number 5, Yuni Ramos and Rivera versus Natasha Earl and Isa Cole. Players for court number 3, Colin Barr and Atlas versus Simon Marcy and Christian Pachacha. Please proceed to court number 3 now.
Oh, I think Frenchman in the entrance should be there now.
Final call for players for court number 3, Boxer and Alex. Final call, Boxer and Alex. Please proceed to court number 3. Versus Offset.
Akira, first man now.
Court number 5, versus Natasha and Lisa Cole. Francis Alona Antico versus Joshua Tio and Matthew Tan. Court number 8, standby player, calling out Ivan, Ranzo and Alex Mendoza versus Yuki Ferrero and Mario Diaz.
Line up.
Thank you, brother.
Players for court number 3, Francis Agonia Chico versus Joshua Portillo and Matthew Johnson.
Anong score na yung?
Go out and Oh, ayan. See you.
See ya.
The next round is
Kay! Backhand!
Henry.
Yan!
You?
Backhand!
Do you want to set up the word of easy lift card? Jordan King, you won another 10 numbers easily card.
Calling players, support number 2, court number 2, Joshua Tayo and Africa, the fighting starts now.
Take over.
Court number 6, Korea and Alvin Gabrieli versus Australiano and Kevin
Bawin.
Please go to court number 6.
Nice one.
Sa court number 7, mamaya kapalit nila pets kasi sila na doon sa school.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Standby players for court number 9, court number 9. Nicholas Trinity and Dwayne versus Red Hunter and Anita De Silva.
Calling players, court number 2, court number 2, Joshua Tayo and Africa. Please go to court number 2.
17 all. Focus lang. Tapos
Inaano kami. Kasi sila okay, mapadala.
Players,
Tapos kapag
lang. Focus lang.
eh.
Natatala ka. Minsan napapagano din naman.
Number